The past 12 months have been peppered with disruption and in many cases challenges beyond any manufacturer's control. But we can't let that disruption seep into our efforts of progression and improvement. And we weren't going to let any disruptions halt our progression. In fact, we would accelerate it. Our partnership with Sharing in Growth is a key factor to the success of our continuous improvement and training initiatives. Something that was recognised this year when we received an award for business transformation at SIG's All-Star event. SIG introduced us to daily management systems, versatility matrices and skills nesting structures that have had a significant impact on leadership, people and processes.
Now we've got just this consistent rolling actions, tasks, and everyone's kind of feeling a little bit more loved as well, feeling a little bit more valued, that what they're doing is making a difference.
The success of our partnership with SIG is a defining moment for the business, and we've had a lot of those over the years, which is why it was a pleasure to recently reflect on my years in the continuous improvement department and share some of my favourite moments. From specific programmes such as Success for Excellence and Route 6 to the launch of our Bright Sparks University, continuous improvement and training remains central to how we operate and grow at PP.